I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the process doesn't stall. You need an admin Apple ID in Apple Business Manager, your MDM server set up, and the device serials or order numbers at hand. Once those are ready, open Apple Business Manager, sign in, and go to Devices. Make sure you choose the correct location and organization unit now. That choice determines enrollment defaults. Don't skip validating reseller or Apple configurator details before moving on to device assignment. Next, you add the device to your MDM by assigning it in Apple Business Manager. You can search a serial directly or upload a CSV for bulk imports. Once found, select Devices and pick your MDM server. After selecting the server, choose the enrollment profile that matches your setup and the target location. Make sure to confirm user assignment or leave unassigned for later. The system then queues the devices, depending on network timing. The assignment can take minutes to complete. To finish, you verify the devices appear in your MDM and test by activating one device. If you have a new device, out-of-box activation will pull the profile. If not, use Apple Configurator to revive or assign manually. Once done, check assignment history and the MDM server sync status to confirm enrollment. If something goes wrong, recheck serial numbers, reseller order records, and the MDM server token. Often a mismatched token or typo is the cause and quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.